Yes, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another edition of the Bush Pot Cooking. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a vegan soup. This is a ital sip. It's only vegetable and beans in this soup. There's no meat in it and no dairy product. Alright, as you can see, we're on the farm today. So I'm going to hunt for some ingredients now to put in this soup. Alright, right now, stay tuned and walk in with me. See there? Get some okra. Going on the soup. Soup can't nice without okra. And only for slime off in a pot. Yeah man, see there? Okra, now my soup. I eat man. Alright, take a walk with me now. Put in the pot right off from the farm. Yeah man, organic greens, I don't know. Everything around here organic, you know. Nothing for Babylon now going in the pot. I eat man. Yes, sir. We're going to the scallion bed and we'll look for the scallion. Yeah, man. See that? Natural scallion. Just root up off my farm. See that? Scallion. Natural.
Yo, seen the reefer call off his soup, see there? Yeah, man.
This is the ingredients for today's ital sip, our vegan soup. We have some pumpkin here. We have a crocus bag of okra, and we have some corn we just pick off of the farm. Right now we have the greens over here, so see it, nice broadleaf callaloo. We have tree cock soup. All right, we have some plantain, both the turned one and the ripe one. The ripe plantain was gonna give it a really nice flavor. And over here we have some sweet potatoes. We have chocha. We have carrot, cocoa. We have our peas here, was cooked before. So we're going to put that in the pot shortly. And this master ingredients, which is the coconut milk. And watch now, right now, you know what I'm going to put in the soup today? Some Irish mash. The Irish mash I come up from Jamaica the other day. See it here? Irish mash, aka sea moss. Yeah? Alright, we have some scallion, we have some thyme, we have some pimento, and we have garlic. Alright, over here, the next thing we're going to go in the soup is this is called the 13 bean soup mix. So we have all a 13 bean, full of protein, you know. You don't need no meat when you eat this bean. And the flour we're using today is called spelt flour. People check this out, spelt flour. It's Bob Red Mill spelt flour. However, Bob, you're not paying for commercials, so I'm not really big you up still, but we are using the spelt flour to the people. Alright? So let's get it chopping. This is the base for the ital soup. Now I have some sea moss here, aka Irish mash. We have some ripe plantain, some pumpkin, and some sweet potato. Right now, I'm going to put in the vegetable in the pot. Yeah, man. Right now, so we are putting some sweet potato. We are putting some chocha and some carrot, some Irish potato. And some cocoa. Some cocoa going on. Whoa! Sorry. Biggs, you get one? You afraid of one?
Yeah, man.
I'm not afraid of one, you know. You afraid of one, Jigo?
Yeah, boy.
Alright, yes, people. Right now, I'm going to put in some whole heap of slime in the pot. See it here? Good old okra slime. Right now, see it here? Crocus bag of okra going in the pot, you know, because right now, I have to make sure some virgin them go on with that thing next year. Yeah, man, I see it here. We have some lentil peas we have put in the pot. Yeah, man. Check it. Check out the sip, people. See it? Okra go get a nice body. Real Ital, you know? Ital is vital. Yes, people, see it here? Bushpot cooking again, you know. Ital sip vegetable vegan soup upon the fire. And what going on, so people call now? Roast. Alright, Ants, one ready, Ants?
Yeah, man, I roast some boil, you know.
Yeah?
Yes, man.
Alright.
Now I mean, straight off of your farm.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Right, that's how it born. Yeah, man. So it's set, man. And born is known. Yeah.
I can't look further.
Yeah. Can't time, you know. Yeah, man.
Ready your can, right, roast can? You good?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright, man.
Chico. Come on, buy the can and tell me what it is.
Yeah, man.
Tell me how you can, Chico.
Yeah, man, it kills good, man.
You good?
Good, man. Good.
Soft?
Mature.
Mature.
Yeah, man.
Refi Musa.
Mature can me right.
Can't just good.
Yeah, man.
Huh?
Just like a mature.
Calabash.
Ital what?
Ital cup.
Real what?
Ital is vital.
Calabash.
Yeah, man.
Roast. And what happened again?
We have corn and roast over there, so you know, the soup a cook. Ital sip.
See, all general, you know, watch me, see the same young girl around, see me.
Yes, so we're going to try one of the roast corn right you know. Yeah, man, see the big stick of roast corn off the fire. And we're going to try one of the roast corn. More fire. Yeah, man. Oh, you can't taste big?
Yeah, man, soft one, so you want some butter.
You want some butter? Yes, people, see it there? Roast corn. Look on it good. See it there? Roast corn. Yeah, man, remind me back of the days at Jamaica, you know?
It tastes like veggie chicken.
Why? It tastes like corn. So we use some spelt flour to make some dumpling, yeah? Yes, people, so for those of you who don't know to make dumplings, you're going to learn to make dumplings now. So we have some spelt flour here. With a little pinch of salt in it. Yeah? A pinch of salt is in the flour. Alright, so we're going to add some water in here. If this is your first time making dumpling, do not rush to put the water in. I know how much to put in there because I've been doing it for a very long time. I can just judge it and get it right. But if you don't know how, take your time and keep adding water to it. Please. There's some wine in my cup. Yeah, man, that good, thanks. Alright. So people, so you see the flour here now, after I don't need it. So this is what the flour should look like. The flour is not sticking to the pot, so that's an indication that you have a nice mixture. Alright, so you can make your dumpling in any shape and form that you want, it doesn't matter. People have different style. Some people like to make spinners, which the dumplings, they look like this, and that's a spinner. And some people like to do more of a round dumpling, more like this. And it doesn't matter, whatever shape you want to make your flour in. Yeah, you do. It doesn't matter. See, that's how. Put in the dumpling them in the pot now. Yeah, man. Remember, spelt flour dumpling we are using. Spelt flour. Alright, me make some special flour for you.
No, I don't want a special flour.
Make some big dumpling for you.
I don't want attention to them. Good.
Alright, see it now. What we are going to do, we are putting the soft vegetable in now. So we have some pumpkin and some Irish. And we have some turned plantain in there. So putting in the soup. Yeah, man, see it there? Yeah, man, real Ital sipping on. Ital is vital. You know, we are eat from the earth, you know? The Babylon food can't go in it, you know. Go Babylon, go down! Yeah, man, you say so bossy. So, right now, I'm going to put in the 13 bean in this. The 13 bean, I already pre-cook it because I don't want to mash out. This is the protein. So people, if you're not worried about, say, boy, where your protein will come from, because you need to have some protein. See it here, a 13 bean, lone protein. Alright? Yeah, man, see it here? 13 bean are going into the soup.
Plus one.
And people, if you want to put the peas in first and mash it out, that's fine. It's up to you. Whichever way you want to cook your soup, you could cook it, you know? Different seasoning to season up the soup. So I have some pimento here, and otherwise known as allspice, and I also have some thyme here. I have scallion, I have scotch bonnet peppers and garlic, yeah? Okay, so I'm gonna add the seasoning in the soup right now, yeah? So this is scallion and thyme and garlic and pepper and pimento. And over here, this is the magic ingredients, people. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. Now remember, the coconut milk. This is what gives the soup that rich flavor. That smells so good. Yeah, man, all of that goodness in that soup. All right, so we're gonna put in 2 cat noodle soup in the pot, yeah? Just a little bit of flavor. We don't put too much in it, yeah? Yeah, man. Stirring this. And right now, we're gonna give this 5 minutes for the noodle CP in the night. Jigo, you have more okra? Can't them control in that pot, man. Okra can't too much, you don't want slime in that pot. Come put them in, man. Show in the okra in the pot. Yeah, man, more okra in that pot, you know? As vital is vital. Rain or fall, but we don't care. Yeah, man, I eat this, people, see it there? Hans, can you plate, come?
Pick me up, pick me up.
Alright. What? Hans there, man. Hans, man.
Rasta, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Bad man restaurant other than Patrick.
Yeah, man.
I used to cost my plate, clean up people. Jesus Christ.
You see how big off your bigs?
Yeah, man.
Boy, a stiff competition there.
You know what I mean?
And your bigs down in your hands, and Lily.
Come in, Jigo. Yeah, man. Bigs have stiff competition today.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, Hans give big competition today. And yeah, Hans man start drinking soup, you know, because Hans man hungry and saying, can't wait. Hans man, no soup.
Why? Bad luck a year.
Alright, my boss, sip good. Bigs are trying to hijack Hans man.
Yes, what? Yo. Tell me to go find something to you, man.
Nah, share with him.
Nah,
So
share.
Bigs are sampling soup, you know.
Eh?
So Bigs are soup. Yes, people, see it, yeah? The Ital sip ready. Vegan soup. Yeah, man. No Babylon food, right? No meat, no dairy product. Bigs, pot ready, you know. Come in, come take it off for me now. So now the soup is ready, and we're going to take it off the fire, yeah? Bigs, come take off the fire, the soup for me, please. Bigs, make sure you don't drop the soup in the brother. You drop the soup, you have to run with it. Okra for what?
Baby.
So you have to make a baby this year.
Well, I can't go.
It's a 2020 now pass, you're going to make something.
Yeah, man, I'll keep a trace for you. This is a little bit of that. Take money, but I shouldn't bother you.
What you say? This a little bit. Yes, people. Farmer Reefer, what go on? How you soup?
Wonderful, man.
Yeah?
As me tell you, them a soup a real thing to really drink, cause nature food them, you see me I did food from earth,
Yeah.
okra, corn, everything. You see me I did with a little callaloo in a head, peas and everything. With the coconut milk, real coconut thing. Alright.
Jigo, what go on?
Everything organic,
Yeah, everything organic.
natural.
You get extra okra today?
Yeah, man, holy okra.
So what you want extra okra?
Well, 2021.
Yeah? What go on 2021?
Nah, they don't know, but yeah, go see what I want.
Alright.
Bigs, you're not pregnant one.
Hans, how you soup?
Don't disturb me. Alright? Don't disturb me.
Yeah? Well, look at the comparison and plate them.
You never have a Friday, man.
Yeah?
I'm going to go back.
Big setting in your meat, huh?
I'm going to go back.
Yes, people. Alright. So right now, I'm going to share out my soup in the bush. Yeah, man, I'll get one organic corn. Try to find some dumpling down there, so. The dumpling them there. Yeah, man, see it there. Alright, so this is the final product. The Ital sip is ready now. This is a vegan recipe. If you want to lose weight, this is the soup to drink right now. You understand me? Ital, everything in it is all vegetarian. Alright, let me taste it. All of that goodness, this is so awesome. Yes. Thank you very much for watching, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And leave a comment. If there's anything else you'd want me to cook, just leave it in the comments and I'll cook it and post it for you. One love.